Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started to please do like, subscribe, and share this channel with anyone else you think might enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 10. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 3. 7 here, so 2, 3. That means our 7 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 2 comes up and makes this our 3, 2. For this column, we're only missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 4. This 1 makes this our 3 and 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 has to be here. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so 3. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.